how to use Bybit USDT Perpetual feature 2026. So hello guys, today I'm going to talk about how to use Bybit USDT Perpetual feature 2026. So for that, you have to fund your account first. Just open your Bybit app, then navigate to the Assets tab at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap Deposit to fund your account. Now make sure that you have USDT in your funding account or unified trading account. Now use the Bybit deposit page to transfer or purchase USDT if necessary. Then go to the main navigation menu and select Trade at the bottom of your screen. Then go to Derivatives and then go to USDT Perpetual. Now search and select the trading pair you want to trade. Now set your margin and leverage modes. Then select Limit or Market. Then enter the quantity of the asset or the amount of USDT you want to trade. Then check for the TP or SL box. Setting these parameters is crucial to automatically lock in profits and cap your downside. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.